Hey guys, we have another great product to review. It's a fingerprint lock.
Yeah, you can unlock it with just your fingerprint. Open it. Unleash it. Turn it this way. Oh, look at that. Very cool. Nice. Tell you what, I see a USB cable inside. Let's charge it up. And
Whose fingerprint we're gonna use?
we'll set it to someone's fingerprint, either
Mine.
yours or your mother's.
No, my mom.
And we'll give it a try. Okay, so we decided to have Annalisa demonstrate the fingerless padlock. We're gonna set the first fingerprint up to her fingerprints. So come on over here, Annalisa. All right, Annalisa, we're gonna set the fingerprint padlock up to your fingerprints. I want you to take your index finger and go ahead and hold it down for 3 seconds on the sensor until you see a blue light flash. There we go. Okay, we're gonna take 10 of these. It's going to collect data on your fingerprints. Go ahead and let's do number 2. Hold it down, it's green. You see blue, release, that means it's collecting data. Let's do number 3. Blue, going for number 4. Okay, and number 5. It turned blue. Okay, number 6. All right, let's go for number 7. And it turned blue. If it turns red, that means it failed to collect data. Here we go for number 8. Number 9. Let's go for one more, number 10. Coming up on number 10. And it turned blue. Okay, hang on here. And it was flashing green. Okay, let's hold it there for a second. Okay, close the cover. Close the padlock. Alright, if it successfully collected your fingerprint data, your fingerprint should release a lock. Let's give it a try. Here we go. Yay! There we go. The fingerprint padlock. No longer do you need to do a combination or enter a key. Open the padlock with your own personal fingerprint. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll put a link below.